Hello everyone, and let's talk a little bit about why AI agents, which you've probably been hearing so much about, aren't living up to their hype of being able to replace human workers for associations, at least for remote roles. Now, you've probably seen slick demos for associations that promise full work automation by AI agents, and companies like McKinsey hype this up as the agentic AI advantage. In reality, agents, what I've seen is that they fail on complex projects. New benchmarks show very low, actually, professional level completion rates. And so, let me give you an example. The Remote Labor Index, that's compiled by the combination of the Center for AI Safety and by Scale AI, shows less than 2.5% automation by a set of real-world tasks taken from typical freelance work or significant project work by your internal staff that takes about 29 hours on average and costs $633. And so that would be a major project like, for example, creating a marketing campaign for membership renewal for your association. That would be one example. Or creating a series of digital images for a social media campaign promoting your conference, or creating your conference agenda from all the notes that you've typed up. These are examples of stuff that would not be done by AI agents. And we see other benchmarks, not only the Remote Labor Index showing the same thing. The Web Arena finds that it shows 14.4% success for agents versus 78.2% for humans. OS World shows 12.2% for success for agents versus 72.4% for humans. What we find is that agents fail at multi-step tasks. That is the key, that they fail at tasks that take a number of steps where one step depends on the other. And so you have a lot of output that is not good enough. The right model to think about this for your association is that the AI is an assistant for doing specific tasks, not for handling projects and certainly not for handling a whole job. Humans should be directing AI. Your association staff and your volunteers should become experts at managing a series of AI tools, AI agents that can accomplish tasks but not projects. Generative AI right now is unreliable at that. Gartner, in fact, warns that 40% of agent AI projects may be canceled by 2027. And so they call it agentic washing. Use AI as a task-level assistant or accelerator, but not for project completion. I'll give about a case study where I worked with a national association. We did a 12-week pilot guided. It's a professional services association, to clarify. We guided it into creating and adopting AI tools. AI, we fenced it into task-level accelerator roles for association staff and volunteers. AI was great at drafting social copy, visuals for surveys, even video narratives. AI, however, was paired with human review and templates, and it was given individual tasks, not large projects. Risk was managed using the NIST AI risk management framework, so think about adopting appropriate frameworks. The result was great. We had faster task completion, consistent chapter communication. The association got a lot more done using the previous human power. Didn't need to hire anyone. Got a lot more done because there was a lot more desire that staff could do. So this is how associations should be thinking about building and using and adopting AI, not thinking about AI as automating projects and certainly not roles, but as automating tasks. And this will also help model responsible AI use for your members. You should publish internal rules for prompting, for sourcing data, for reviewing data, provide chapter-ready templates for AI-assisted work, connect AI to clean and improved data repositories, treat AI agents as accelerators, not autonomous workers, in other words. I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Future Forward podcast show. Please make sure to subscribe wherever you checked out the show and leave a review. It helps other people discover the show and help us improve the show. And if you have any questions, email me at gleb, Gleb, at disasteravoidanceexperts.com.